Everyone, I decided to make a quick video to show you how to enable sound on an Annke NC800 camera in Unifi Protect without an AI port. I've seen a lot of posts that say that you need an AI port to get sound working on third-party on-viv cameras, but I was able to figure out how to get it working somewhat on mine, so I'm just going to quickly show you. Um, I'm interested to see what other cameras this works on, because I'm sure it works on a lot of different other Anki cameras or possibly hike vision cameras because they kind of have the same interface. But yeah, if you log in to your camera's web interface here, you go to the configuration tab and then go to video audio and then the audio tab. By default, in the audio encoding tab drop down, G711 ULAW is selected when you first set up your camera, but any footage that is recorded in Protect with this codec won't have audio. Even if you export the video or whatever, you won't be able to hear sound. So to fix this, you basically switch it over to AAC and then go ahead and turn all the bit rates to the highest they can go and save it. So any new footage that's recorded with this codec in Protect will have audio enabled. So I can also show you, there's kind of a workaround you can do to play the audio in Protect, but it's kind of a little bit wonky, but I'll show you how to do that. So this is one of my NC800 cameras that's not paired with an AI port right now. And you'll kind of see like down here, there's no option to kind of unmute the audio. But one of the things you can do is if you go to a Unifi camera that can do audio, like the G6 turret, or another camera with an AI port attached to it, you can basically unmute there and then navigate back to the camera without the AI port, and you'll be able to hear the sound from that camera. This only works if you kind of scrub back in the video. It doesn't work for live footage, live view. You have to actually scroll back to be able to hear that audio. But you can see, if you unmute or mute the sound and go back to it, it won't work anymore. So yeah, interested to see what other cameras this kind of works with. If you guys want to post or comment or whatever in the video, then yeah, hopefully this helps someone out. But thanks.